I welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture we go ahead and create a simple project that will help us to find the longest word in a string. Let's go ahead and create LSTL and let LSTL be input, and go ahead and tell the user to insert some strings. Alright, so once the user insert a string, we go ahead and let's go ahead and say total LSTL is equal to LSTL dot split. So total LSTL equal to LSTL dot split, and then we go ahead and say longest is equal to 0. So we create a variable called longest, and then using a for loop we go ahead and say for I in range. So for I in range of 1 and length of total, that is total LSTL, then we go ahead and say, alright, so there's a problem right here. Go ahead and remove this. So that is equal to 1 comma length of total LSTL. Alright, so you have to be very careful, please, so we don't run into problem again like this. Can go ahead and remove everything right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and use an if statement and say if length, so if length of total LSTL of longest, total LSTL of longest is less than length of total LSTL of I. Go ahead and say that longest is equal to I. So longest is equal to I. Then we'll go ahead and print the value of total LSTL with the value of longest. And if we go ahead and run this code, let's check it out, and I believe it's gonna work out fine. So insert some string. Let's go ahead and say hello Peter Paul. So let's go ahead and join Peter Paul together to be the longest, and world, and 7, and Pepsi, and hit enter. So Peter Paul is the longest. You can see that Peter Paul is the longest, and that is what printed out. Let's run this code one more time and ensure everything works out fine. Let's go ahead and say Peter Paul hello world join together and hit enter. So hello world is the longest of the string. Can you see that? Now go ahead and put this down on your system, play around with it, and check out more on that. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.